Are you tired of wondering what makes a woman tick? What gets her excited about a man? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the top things that make a woman go weak in the knees. From confidence to kindness, we're covering it all. So let's get started. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting a woman. It's not about being arrogant or cocky, but about being self-assured and comfortable in your own skin. When a man exudes confidence, it's like a magnet that draws women in. Kindness and empathy are essential qualities that make a woman feel seen and heard. When a man shows genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings, it creates a deep connection that can't be ignored. A sense of humor is a major turn-on for women. It shows that you can laugh at yourself and don't take life too seriously. When a man can make a woman laugh, it's like a spark of magic that can ignite a deep connection. Ambition and passion are highly attractive qualities in a man. When a woman sees that you're driven and passionate about your goals, it's like a beacon of excitement that draws her in. There you have it, guys. The top things that make a woman excited about a man. Remember, it's not just about one quality, but about being a well-rounded and genuine person. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.